Hi everyone, this is Nityasri and my friend Divyasri. We are from 9th grade. We are from Vidba school. This is our second robot bomb squad boat. Now I am explaining components of this boat. We are using working and non-working components in this boat. So working components are remote receiver, servo motor, DC motor, metal sensor and LCD. Non-working components are caterpillar guides, arc frames, half moon frames, lip frames, big frames and some supports and nuts and bolts. Applications of this boat is we can use in police department and in military. Main benefit of this boat is to detect bomb or metal. We can save human beings' life. Now my friend will explain.
Hi, now I will explain programming of this robot. In this LCD is used. LCD means liquid crystal display. It displays the action of the robot. It displays text. And another component, metal sensor also used. It helps to detect the metal. Now we can write the program of these components. They are LCD, remote sensor, remote sender, LCD, VC motor, servo motor. Let's see how it works.